best dual sport motorcycle for beginners. KTM. The world of motorcycling holds the promise of thrilling adventures, the freedom of the open road, and the excitement of exploring new horizons. For beginners, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that can shape their journey in remarkable ways. KTM, a renowned name in the world of off-road motorcycles, offers a range of dual-sport motorcycles that are ideal for novice adventurers. With their versatile performance, off-road prowess, and rider-focused features, KTM dual-sport motorcycles stand out as the ultimate choice for beginners looking to embark on exciting off-road adventures and explore the wild side of motorcycling. Unparalleled performance and off-road dominance. KTM's dual-sport motorcycles are powered by high-performance engines designed to deliver impressive power and torque. These motorcycles are engineered to conquer diverse terrains, making them perfect for both on-road cruising and off-road exploration. Rugged design and trail-ready features. KTM dual-sport motorcycles boast rugged and purposeful designs with features such as long travel suspension, spoke wheels, and substantial ground clearance. These elements equip them to tackle dirt trails, rocky paths, and challenging off-road terrain with ease. Comfortable ergonomics and adventure-oriented layout. KTM places a strong emphasis on rider comfort. Their motorcycles offer upright and comfortable riding positions, ensuring that riders remain at ease during long journeys and off-road adventures. The ergonomics, including well-padded seats and wide handlebars, enhance the overall riding experience. Responsive handling and off-road agility. KTM's commitment to exceptional handling is evident in their motorcycle's lightweight chassis, capable suspension, and nimble characteristics. Novice riders will find these bikes easy to maneuver in demanding off-road conditions, whether it's navigating technical trails or conquering challenging terrains. Safety features and learning confidence. Safety remains a top priority for beginner riders, and KTM dual-sport motorcycles often come equipped with features like handguards, skid plates, and an upright riding posture. These features enhance safety and instill confidence in novice riders as they embark on their journey to master the art of dual-sport riding. Versatility in riding scenarios. While KTM dual-sport motorcycles excel in off-road adventures, they are versatile enough to handle various riding scenarios. Novice riders can use them for daily commuting, city rides, and extended trips, making them well-rounded motorcycles that can adapt to diverse riding needs. Community and rider connection. KTM has a dedicated community of enthusiasts who warmly welcome beginners into their ranks. Joining this community offers aspiring riders access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow adventurers who share a passion for off-road exploration and the thrill of riding KTM motorcycles. Skill growth and riding mastery. KTM dual-sport motorcycles encourage skill development as beginner riders build confidence. Riders can progressively explore their motorcycle's capabilities, refine their off-road riding techniques, and fully immerse themselves in the world of dual-sport riding. Customization options and personalization. KTM offers a range of aftermarket accessories and customization options, allowing riders to tailor their motorcycles to their individual preferences. Whether it's adding adventure luggage, performance upgrades, or other accessories, KTM motorcycles can be personalized to reflect the rider's unique style. Innovation in technology. KTM continually pushes the boundaries of innovation and technology in their motorcycles. Features such as advanced suspension systems, ride modes, and electronic aids enhance the riding experience and provide beginners with the tools they need to ride confidently. Conclusion. KTM dual-sport motorcycles epitomize the spirit of adventure and KTM's commitment to providing the perfect dual-sport motorcycles for beginners. With their unparalleled performance, rugged designs, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, KTM motorcycles offer an immersive gateway to the world of dual-sport riding without overwhelming novice riders. By choosing a KTM dual-sport motorcycle as their first bike, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a community that shares their passion for off-road exploration and the thrill of conquering diverse terrains on two wheels. KTM motorcycles are not just machines, they are the key to unlocking a world of adventure, freedom, and unforgettable experiences.